Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Udemy account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to create a Udemy account online, first open up your preferred browser on your computer. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in udemy.com like this and hit enter. And you can see this is the home page of Udemy itself, and on the top right corner of your screen there is the login slash and the sign up button. To create an account, let's click on sign up, but if you have already created an account, click on login and go to the sign in page or the sign in procedure of Udemy. Now let's create an account by clicking on sign up, and on this page you'll be required to enter your full name over here like this. Create a strong password over here. You can see my password is very strong. Use some capital letters, small letters and some numbers with some extra characters to make your password strong and hard to hack, as well as hard to decrypt. Now let's click on sign up and save the password, and you can see what's your career goal right now. Advanced my current fields or enter a new field, and after that after choosing your selection and click on next. And what kind of a profession do you want to learn? For us it would be music and IT itself. Let's go for the information of technology with the web developer, and let's go with, and you can see it's the data analysis, designs, everything you need for a web developer. If you choose on music, and you can see it's the musician, and you will get the similar options with the musician itself. Let's click on next, and let's click on finish. And on the top right corner there you can see, guys, it's my email ID over, and there, guys, we have successfully created a Udemy account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.